In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Sendwave. By the end, you'll know how to create your account, verify your identity, add a recipient, and complete your first transfer smoothly. Start by opening the Sendwave app and tapping Sign Up. Enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID, then type your email address. Next to the phone field, tap the flag to choose your correct country code, either by searching or scrolling, and then enter your mobile number. You'll see a prompt asking where you're sending first. Tap that and select the destination country for your first transfer. Check the box to agree to the terms, then tap Sign Up. A verification code will be sent to your phone. Enter the code exactly as received. Now create a secure PIN you'll use to access the app. Tap Create PIN, re-enter the same PIN to confirm, and tap Confirm. You should see a message that your account was created successfully. From the dashboard, you're ready to start sending. To add a recipient, tap Recipient. Choose the payment method flow, then select Bank Transfer if you plan to send directly to a bank account. Enter the recipient's full name, type their mobile number, and retype the number to avoid errors. Tap Save, then continue to send. Because this is your first transfer, you'll be asked to verify your identity. Enter your full name and date of birth. Select the purpose of your account and tap Finish. Tap Continue, choose your country, and select the document type you'll use, such as a government-issued ID. Tap Continue, then Continue again to begin. Follow the on-screen guide to capture clear photos of your document. Avoid glare and keep everything within the frame. Tap Submit Photo. You'll then complete a quick face recording to confirm liveness. Tap Start. Follow the prompts, and when you're done, tap Continue to send. Now add a payment method. Choose debit or credit card, and carefully enter your card details along with your billing address, including zip code, city, and state. Tap Continue. On the review screen, choose the payment method you just added, tap Continue to send, and then tap Confirm Transfer to finalize. Before you wrap up, double check that all names and numbers match official records, make sure your photos are clear, and keep your PIN and verification codes private. With those steps, you're all set to use Sendwave confidently and securely.